birds and the bees.
Put some good music over this, couldn't you?
Something like death rock.
No, some good porn music.
No bit of Lionel Richie.
Do you need nothing or not?
He's digging his back wheels in. Public display of affection.
Massive bumblebee. What's going on?
It's fucking her. I'm going to show guys that'll make his day.
Come out fucking multi-angle.
Not too bothered, right?